This C6 Corvette has been pampered, and today it's going from cute to killer. Last time we gave it a carbon fiber front splitter. Now we are showing its other end some love with a full carbon fiber rear diffuser from EOS, plus a Morimoto reverse light boost bar. Because why not make backing up look cooler than going forward? The wheel flares? That's for another day. These little guys, jack pads, lift the car without pinching the wheels. Fun fact, Corvettes had these way before Teslas. Lift the car, remove the wheel, take out few bolts from the wheel arch, 3 more from inside the bumper. The tilted bolt angle makes it difficult to use a ratchet. Open wrench works so much better here. Then there are 4 more bolts from underneath each side. It's not complicated and it's actually fun, like IKEA furniture. The stock diffuser is plastic and so very light. For the Morimoto reverse light bar, we hooked it up directly to the factory wires with solder seals. We could have used a connector, but the stock diffuser isn't coming back, so this was easier. Now for the carbon fiber drama. No matter the brand or how expensive it was, it's never going to be a perfect bolt-on as they claim. Think tailored suit that still needs a tailor. See what I mean with the mismatch? So to persuade them to fit better, here I am heating, checking and repeating. Basically couples therapy for car parts. Even then, one bolt underneath each side will not align unless you drill holes. I could have, but didn't want to do such a thing on this pristine finish. But 3 bolts per side is solid enough to hold this diffuser in place. In just a second, I'm going to show you the final result.